What up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natasha and I am your favorite natural hair guru. If you're a returning subscriber, what up, what do you do? Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for showing me love, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So today I am bringing you something extremely exciting for me. I bought a laptop and some accessories. I mean, I have had laptops before. I've had 2 laptops before, but I never bought them myself, and this is my first self-purchased laptop. Huge deal, huge. Anyway, so I'm gonna be unboxing the laptop and the accessories with you guys today. I am so excited because I am preparing for next year's academic. Wow. I'm preparing for next year's academic year, and yeah, I'm super excited, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here's the laptop packaging thingy. I got it from Incredible Connection on Friday morning, so Black Friday. It was 4,000 off. Yeah, it was 4,000 off, and it is an HP. Yeah, so I would show you guys this, but obviously you won't see it. But anyway, it is an HP 13-inch that is also Ryzen 5, 512 gigabyte storage and 8 gig RAM. Super cool. Okay, I'm just gonna open now because, you know, it almost feels empty. Yeah. You don't appear. It's fine. I saw this on YouTube, and if it falls, my heart, please don't fall. So this is the laptop. As you can tell, the size is extremely small. Guys, look at how small this is. I don't think you understand. It's so small and it's so light. It is 13-inch. Can you please pass me my laptop so I can show them? It's in the bag. It's in this bag. So it's so small. Like it's so small. This is the laptop that I was using before. It is huge. No, I mean, not, it's big. It's 15.6 inch. And this is the laptop that I just got. So you can tell that the difference is massive. It is very small and it is extremely light. And yeah, I think that is mainly why I chose this laptop. Guys, I am so excited because this is light. This is the weight of a book. I'm so excited. Okay, anyway, so this is the charger. We have the little plug-in thingy and the other adaptive thingy. My boyfriend is out here cringing because he knows tech and I'm here saying power thingy. But anyway, this is 65 watts. Weren't you shocked? Okay, it says it's not. But, so, let's get on to the laptop. Guys, unboxing stuff is super satisfying, eh? So, there you go. So this is what it looks like at the back, front, and then I am gonna open it. Guys, this is so small and so light. Oh, I'm so excited. And this is what it looks like. Apparently it has a fingerprint thing. I am super excited about that. I didn't even know that. And like I said, it is Ryzen 5. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm super excited. Is there anything else I should mention? Nothing? Yeah? Okay. So it is an HP Pavilion Aero 13, and I'm so happy, guys. This is so light. Okay, all right. So I'm just gonna open it and start setting it up. And yeah, that's gonna be basically it for the laptop, and then I will move on to the next things. So yay. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours because this was not delivered yet. I got this from Typo and it has just been delivered. And I have one more package that is coming in tomorrow from Takealot, and I cannot wait to show that to share that to you, to share that with you. Okay, I think she's hot. Okay, so I'm gonna open this right now. So first, I have this collapsing thingy. It's a laptop stand. Super excited about it. So this is what it's supposed to look like, because you know, what did I call it? I want to be in my bougie era. Did I call it that?
No, it wasn't bougie, but it was something else.
Yeah.
We'll remember later.
Yeah, but anyway, so this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna have it there by rest, you know, on the table, looking all cool and stuff. And it came also in the color this dusty pink. But yeah, I really like this. And then next up we have this laptop thingy sleeve. That I will put my laptop in when I go to class to be able to put it in my bag. So I will put this bag inside of a bag. And so yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a 13-inch, it's for 13-inch laptops. And it's super, it's so soft. It's soft and foamy on the inside. And it's super cute also. I'm afraid it's gonna get dirty very quickly though. Put that here. And then finally, I also got this nice mint waterproof speaker. It's a portable speaker, so obviously it is probably very small. I mean, it is very small. We can all see it's very small. But I'm just gonna open it and show you guys what it is. So this is how small it is. Sometimes when I study, I like to play lo-fi, and I'm just gonna put it there and just play some nice music while I am studying. So yeah, this is that, and then I'm just gonna quickly open this so we can see. This was 200 rands, but I bought it for 130 because it was on Black Friday special. Okay. So this is how it is packaged, and then I know this is probably how is this adjustable? A lot lower than I would have thought. So I'm just gonna put my laptop just to see. Oh, you guys! Look at this! So cute! It's cute, right? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is the standard. And then yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. Anyway, so yeah, this is what it looks like. And then when you go away or when you leave your laptop, you can close it and put it in here. So I'm just gonna show you. But anyway, like that. And then you go. So basically it's like a little storage little thingy. And yeah, so I am gonna finish this video off tomorrow when the rest of my stuff gets here, and I can't wait to show you guys. And yeah, okay, give this video a thumbs up in the meantime. Okay, bye. Hi beautiful people, it is the next day. It's around 11:30 right now, and I just received my last package from Takealot, like I mentioned, so I am gonna unbox that with you guys quick before this video gets too long. So first up, I have this small package, and thanks to my assistant here who is handing me everything in the background. Unboxing is always satisfying. Okay, so I have this pink Logitech Pebble mouse. It is not pink, it's dusty pink. That's important. It's an important fact. But anyway, so I'm just gonna open it. This looks like it has it. Okay, it's a little heavy in the box. I don't know. It just feels. Okay, there's a manual, and the packaging is actually quite good. I like it. It looks very secured, and oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. Very silent clicks also. Like it a lot. And oh, you can open this part here where you get this little, what's it called? A dongle. Yeah, so it works both with Bluetooth and this little dongle thing. And there's also a battery, it's the same thing, that is included. So just gonna put that back in and close it. So the thingy is magnetic, so you don't actually pull it off, it just, or whatever, you just put it on top and then it closes itself. Super cute. Okay, yeah, so that's the first box, the little mouse. Then I'm just gonna put that aside. Thank you. And then the next box. Next we have this, it's also Logitech. Yeah, it's the matching thingy keyboard, yeah, it's the matching keyboard, and it's also in dusty pink. I am so excited about this. So I'll also show you the setup of everything after I am done, like setting it up on this table, just as an idea of what I'll set it up at school when I go back next year. It's also a bit heavy. Also, it's literally heavier than my laptop. I'm not kidding, like for real. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Hey. I'm just gonna open just to basically see what's up. Okay. Oh, it's very soft also. Yeah, it's very soft. Excuse me. Apparently, it can also connect to 3 different Bluetooth devices, so you can connect to three different things at the same time. And yeah, it's super cute. Really like it, really recommend. Let me just quickly see if it comes with batteries. It comes with batteries included. So yay, I'm just gonna set up everything right now, and then I will show you guys how I set the things up, because I want to be in my kid gown. So excited. Anyway, so give me 1 second. So this is what the setup looks like. This is the keyboard and the thingy, the mouse, the bag, and here is my new laptop and my wallpaper, which I think is super duper cute, and the little speaker over there. So there we go. This is what I unboxed, guys. I'm so proud of myself, and I did spend a lot of money on this. So yay me. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this a thumbs up, and I do really hope you like the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, okay? But anyway, I hope to see you guys next week. Bye.